Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Not so much that you'll ever draw this design, but anything with a triangle and you want to try to get the interactive fill tool even, which I did not do on this one, but I'm going to do on this one. So I'm going to take a four-sided polygon. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to turn it into a three-sided polygon. Now, Corel thinks that's the center, but if we bring in indexing lines and hit P, that's where the true center is. So keep that in mind. So Control D or hit the plus key on your keyboard to move that out of the way. And then grab this one and grab your shape tool and just make some sort of weird shape. Now that's still in the center. Then if we move this back, nudge this back, we have these lines. Now I can take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to go ahead and delete all these. I don't have to because we're going to do them by rotating them around the center. So I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to use that same, I'm going to use this orange this time. Then I'm going to take the interactive fill tool and you could do any direction. I'm going to put some darkness there. Now, if you will take that shape and Control D, double click on the rotation and move the rotation of there. Quite possibly you could reduplicate that, but quite possibly you can't. So this way, this is perfect. Same thing on this color. We're going to take our Smart Fill tool again and let's use that pink. And let's use the interactive fill tool. And let's go dark to the center of that too. Now, you could try to do that over the other three times, but you're right here, Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it on the center of the page. Click off of it, see if you're there, rotate it 120 degrees, Control D. Take away your indexing lines, select it all, take away your outline, and now you have a pretty cool design. Not saying you'll ever draw that, but it helps you know how you could get, so every one of these interactive fill tools are the same because we just copied them over. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.